To set up Samsung Wallet, start by ensuring your device is compatible with the service, which includes most Samsung Galaxy series phones. Next, go to the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store and download the Samsung Wallet app if it is not already pre-installed on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Get Started button. You will then be prompted to sign in with your Samsung account. If you do not have a Samsung account, you can create one directly from the app. After signing in, you will need to set up a secure method to authenticate transactions, such as a PIN or fingerprint. Choose the method you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now you can start adding cards to your Samsung Wallet. This includes credit or debit cards, as well as loyalty cards and other passes. To add a card, tap on the Add Card button and follow the instructions to enter your card details or take a photo of your card. You will then be asked to verify your card details with your bank, which may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Enter the code to complete the verification process and add your card to Samsung Wallet. With your cards added, you can start using Samsung Wallet to make payments. To do this, open the app and select the card you want to use. Then, tap on the Pay button and hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal. Samsung Wallet also allows you to store other types of cards, such as boarding passes and tickets. To add these, tap on the Add Pass button and follow the instructions to enter the details of your pass. Finally, to get the most out of Samsung Wallet, make sure to keep your app and device updated with the latest software. This will ensure you have access to the latest features and security updates.